વેરના પરિણામ જાહેર થયા હતા તો અંતર્ગત કંપનીના CFO जगन्नाथ चक्रवर्ती આપણી સાથે જોડાઈ ગયા છે। સર ગુડ आफ्टरनून, स्वागत है आपका शो पर। सबसे पहले सर शुरुआत करेंगे इंटरनेशनल IT सर्विसेज रेवेन्यू अप 3% ऑन QOQ बेसिस, जबकि हम देख रहे हैं सीजनली वीक क्वार्टर रहता है फॉर द इंडस्ट्री, तो Q4 आगे कैसा शेप अप देख रहे हैं आप?
Q3 we have this is the fifth quarter where we have a very strong industry leading performance. We did a 3.5% quarter on quarter and constant currency was 3%. We are the current order book and what we have in the pipeline look very strong. In the medium term also we will continue to perform well. Industry leading performance will continue. But also my CEO has covered in another interview that Q4 is a little soft for Quant because seasonally their customers renew the contracts and all these things, and they will be January to March will be seasonally soft for them. Otherwise, the rest of the base businesses are in similar level. So we will have a little softness in the Q4 coming. But medium term, we will bounce back for the year, and then we will continue to perform industry leading performance in the coming quarters.
Okay, sir. Sir, in Q2, company has mentioned the large deal pipeline remains strong. 35 large deals and especially under pursuit, and 38% of large deals are with Fortune 500 clients. वहाँ पर क्या update है, sir? How is the pipeline?
Pipeline is very, very strong. As I mentioned to you, we book to bill is about 1.24x for us, and the pipeline is looking very, very good. We are just to correct, we are pursuing almost like a 40 large deals at present. The pipeline is, interestingly with the good customers, Fortune 1000 companies. It looks very, very positive for us at present in the pipeline. We will continue to be, growing the large deals. That's a focus area for us, and very confident that our pipeline and the large deals for us will continue to grow.
Okay, sir. And sir, if you can give us a contribution and revenue front, especially the breakup for the segment of retail, BFSI, telecom and healthcare contribution?
Yeah, actually the retail, manufacturing and travel is all combined together into consumer facing businesses, combined to be one there. There it's about 33% of the revenue, around 33-34% of the revenue comes from there. We have a BFSI is around 17-18% at present. We have high tech is around 30%, 29-30% is high tech. The other one is for us is this emerging is there. That is about 5-6% is there, and that's a breakup of our revenue in between the verticals. And healthcare is there. Healthcare is about 12% for us.
Geez, okay, sir. So next will be there is an exceptional loss due to increased performance payout of Quant system. So is there a possibility of bigger contingent payout going forward?
Oh, we have considered all the possibilities in the future also, and then taken this. They're considering their growth. We have factored everything what is possible from their side. But if you see this exceptional item, others have come because of the negative reason. This is actually a positive reason. Both our acquisitions, the last two acquisition has worked very well for us. And what has happened is in Qantas, interestingly, when we bought the company, it had a multiple of 11 times of EBITDA, which has come down to 6 times now. So this is, as a CFO, the ROI has been very, very strong. I'm very happy that the investments have paid a result for us. So we continue to be very confident, continue to be very positive. And this we have considered all the future expected performance also for whatever we have taken when we have taken it now.
जी sir. Okay. And sir, recently we have seen announcement on interim budget. तो यहाँ से कुछ आपके views regarding your industries or overall your view on budget announcements?
Nothing specific for us. The status of policy continuing for us itself is very positive for us. We know this the overall environment is positive, and good that India is positive for our India business. It benefits for us. We continue to be happy and continue to be very very agile and continue to be very confident of the India business.
Okay, तो सर as you mentioned Indian business के ऊपर आप अभी भी you are still positive, तो domestic product business outlook वो कैसे share करेंगे?
Yeah, domestic product business had two elements to that. One is the change in the mix of revenue for us. Now the margins means high end, the mix of the businesses with high margins have increased at present in the total mix for us, which has helped us to grow the gross margin by 15%. If you see gross margin year on year, there is a more than 15% growth in the gross margin, which is a very positive one in this environment. The second is because the IT industry, which is a major component of my business, it is having a little slowness now in IT industry, which is there are uncertainties. We have also told that there are uncertainties in couple of verticals like BFSI, and earlier we said high tech. High tech is having a green shoot now. We are expecting high tech to bounce back, but other industry verticals, IT industry for India is still soft at present. So they had a volume challenges because of that, because volume did not grow for them. So otherwise, India business is in line with India GDP growth. We are continuing to have a confidence, but in the short term, there can be some impact because of the developments.
Okay. Next, Jagannath sir, it will be on, is it the company on track to achieve $1.5 billion of revenue by financial year 26? As last time you have mentioned, the company is making investment in AI and generative AI through its Harmony.
Yeah, we are investing on generative AI. We have and also on Microsoft Fabric. This is the new bets what we are having. Apart from the bet into healthcare and BFSI, what we have done last year, we are also continuing to invest on the print and client solution partner team, which we invested earlier. And we are betting on AI and on Microsoft Fabric now, which is going to help us in future. The question is the growth achievement. It is actually a little tough in this market for continuing to grow to achieve the 1.5 billion, but we continue to have that as a target, and we are very focused on achieving the same by soon on that, as per that earlier articulated target.
Ji sir. So next will be on Quant. What was the performance of Quant, especially on calendar year 22? Turnover was $37 million. What was the expected performance and how much did it exceed?
We have given all the numbers in this. It's available in our website and you can calculate it. I have not specifically disclosed the outside, so I don't want to cover the numbers. But it's quite easy for you to calculate because we have given the growth percentage.
Okay, so overall the outlook of the industry और कैसा रह सकता है, especially on financial year 24 as आप first time हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, तो overall आपका view on industry for financial year 24 lastly.
FY24 was good for us. Actually, it has been a good year for us. We have got a large deal. We have acquired a company. We have integrated it very fast. Go-to-market is completely integrated. We have done well for all the quarters in this year. We are expecting, in spite of market uncertainty, we continue to do well. We are in the leading performance in the industry. That's what FY24 is, the whole definition of FY24 for me. FY25 have some uncertainties in the market, but we are still confident with the pipeline and order book what we have, particularly uncertainties in BFSI is there. Otherwise, we are confident of continuing to perform well.
Okay, Jagannath sir, thank you. बहुत details आपने हमारे साथ share किए and best wishes for coming quarters. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you.